Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm gonna be sanding these shelves here that we've been working on. I'm gonna be trying the Dewalt random orbit sander. I'm gonna be trying the Dewalt random orbit sander. It's the cordless one. So we have a couple of these for our painting crews that our guys use, but they're the corded ones. Love them. They last us a long time and they get used almost every day. So I was at Home Depot picking up the stuff for this. They had it on sale. Buy the sander, get the battery for free, which is, if you know DeWalt, the batteries are like $100 just for a battery. And so I picked it up. We're gonna try it out and see if it's something that the guys would like, how long the battery lasts, if it's the same as the corded one. Let's get started. Nice. So comes with the little dust bag. Pull it out here. In a little plastic bag. And of course, the instructions. So, all in all, looks good. Looks like the other ones we have. This is where you're gonna attach your battery. So I did have the battery charging. It took about an hour and a half, 2 hours to completely charge, but it is a 20 volt. So you slide it in. So it is a little bulkier because of the battery than the normal ones. I'm gonna attach this. That just slides right on. Turn it to the right to tighten it. So it has a little bit of a different feel than the corded ones. The corded ones are just this, and this shoots straight back. It's a little bit heavier, but not much of a difference. I do like it does have the adjustable speeds up here, the rubber coated button, it's rubber coated handle. Like the feel of that. I guess it's more getting used to probably how you hold it. So I'm gonna put a sanding pad on here, which I already bought the universal ones, and we're gonna try it out. 5-inch hook and loop discs. I'm using the Gator ones today. Pick these up at my local hardware store. I'll have a link down below for these as well as for the sander. Oh, let's see. Alright, so you just take your sander, and these are universal, so you just align your holes. And they're good. And alright, let's give it a try. Alright. All right, so all done. A little dusty in here. Couldn't find my glasses, so remember to wear your glasses. All in all, man, really like this. At first, it feels a little awkward once you start sanding, get used to it, and it's actually, I felt, easier to move around with than the corded one. You don't have the cord pulling behind you, getting in the way. So first it's a little awkward. Once you get into it, it moves along like nothing. See all the sand, picks up the sand, easy to get on, easy to get off. Battery's a little, so this battery, I still show 3 bars, so I sanded for about 45 minutes, 30 minutes off and on. Really like the adjustable speeds. I had some parts where I wanted to get rid of more, but all in all, really happy with this purchase. What else can I say? It's convenient. I love anything battery powered. Check it out if you're in need of a sander. I got the link down below. It is an affiliate link, so I do get a little kickback if you purchase through the link, but I recommend it.